We fall summited like 3 times at this point. But look at it. Whoa. Good morning vlog. We're still in Nashua, but we're on our way to go hiking, and look at this.
So cold.
It's supposed to be spring, and there's like a thick old layer of ice on our car. So we're sitting out here waiting for it to thaw so we can get on our way, because we have like a 2.5 hour car ride.
Hopefully a little less.
We're going to Mt Moriah today. He is only like 8 mountains away from completing all of the 4,000 footers. So we're checking one off today. Let's hit the road. Oh wait, also, take my outfit.
New drip?
Yeah, new jacket for my birthday and new headband for my birthday. Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay friends, we're about an hour out. We've already been driving for like 2:15 maybe. Adam's trying to cut off some time.
We're 10 minutes down.
Yeah, we just went through a snow squall. Yeah, so if that has any indication of how cold it is for this spring hike, yeah. But however, look at these mountains. It does look pretty cool out here. We finally gotten through, this was like all clouds, and now we can see blue skies again. So hopefully, if we keep going, yeah. Can y'all see? It's just clouds. So we have another hour, and then we're boogieing up the mountain and then back down, and then going home. Because I'm thinking of that shower later. Yeah. So we made it, and the sunshine is gone. It's still snowing a little bit, and I'm kind of starving, so I got my hummus out. I'm gonna put all my layers on because it is cold, but you have to start cold because you'll get warm once you start hiking. I'm really hoping I brought enough warm stuff. I think I did. I think we just might not be like hanging out at the top of the mountain for a while. It's not summer hiking yet. However, we are in moose territory. That's what I should have wished for on my candle. I can't tell you what I wished for because it won't come true, but I definitely should have wished for a moose. Anyways, we're slowly getting ready. Gotta put our shoes on, gotta put our jacket, gotta put our pants on. And we're getting out there. 10 miles round trip. We're hoping it'll take us like 5 hours or something. I don't know. Let's hit it. Right. Good morning to the river. Oh, the good news is I'm already shedding layers because as we walk I'm getting warm. Bad news is that it's snowing, but I'd rather be snowing and me be warm than vice versa. And it's so strange because there's snow on either side of the trail, but on the trail there's no snow. We were the only people in the parking lot. So, arrow pointing this way. We gotta cross and go over there where the blue markers continue. Where are you going? He's looking to see if there's somewhere else to cross. I feel like we could do it. Might just have to step in the water, but our boots are waterproof, so I'm not doing any extra steps. So if he tells me we can go that way, I'll go that way, but otherwise, I ain't walking. We made it across, and now we're back on our way. I didn't know there would be water rides. Have we even done a mile yet? Yeah. Oh, perfect. So we're over 2 miles in, which means we're nearly halfway up the mountain. The sun is hiding from us at the moment. The puddles are not. Everything is very muddy, because obviously we're spring hiking, but I have my waterproof boots on and my waterproof pants on, so I really can't tell. It's just like a little bit more slippery than usual. Look at all the snow. I've been trying to avoid snow at all costs. And here we are. So, we're in the middle of a snowstorm. Yesterday was supposed to be the snowstorm, okay? The weather apps have been lying to my face, straight up. Oh, okay. It's like hailing. Look at, you can see the little round pieces of snow. How far until the top? A couple miles?
Yeah, another 2.5.
Another 2.5, yeah. Well, we're gonna try. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do it. Hey. Oh, it's green.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it doesn't really match, but it's fine. Forge. Your turn.
Yeah, on the bottom.
Give it to me, Rachel.
She doesn't know where it is.
Oh, yours is green too.
Yeah.
Twins.
Twins.
Oh my god. This looks like fake snow. Do you
Yeah,
want
this
it
is pretty wild.
around your poles? So we've pulled over for a snack because the snow is just not letting up. We were hungry.
I don't know how it looks.
Snowy. What do we have? 2 miles still?
Yeah, maybe a little less.
It's like we're walking in slow motion.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This makes sense as a trail. I also have to find a spot to change my tampon. Oh, the joys. Brother! Oh, I thought you were behind me.
No, I'm way down here still.
Hurry up!
How am I supposed to video and walk?
Carefully. Right.
How would you do it?
That's how I do it. I don't even look at the camera. I just hope for the best. I do not care what anyone says. There's nothing cute about hiking, okay? It's freezing, but also I'm sweating. Also, it's icy, but also there's a lot of water and puddles. I also just had to change my tampon in the middle of the woods, which was actually a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. But we only have hopefully under a mile, and then we're there and we can eat. Oh, and then the one cute thing about hiking, ow, which is my outfit. Hopefully I can take a good picture at the top. Huh? Wow, that's Whoa.
Whoa.
We've decided this is our lunch spot to eat my crushed up sandwich and chips. Not a bad view. Did you already eat? Right. Did you already eat?
I had a granola bar.
I thought you were having lunch.
I'm gonna eat, bro. Give me 2 seconds. This guy's right.
I think I need to put my jacket on. So last night, tell us what you did with that.
Well, it's just rotisserie chicken. You guys know me.
You guys know.
Oh yeah.
Just a bag of rotisserie chicken for the mountain.
The bag's a little sus. I'll admit that. But
There's no Tupperware available, so chicken bag it is. Actually, probably gas right now.
pretty good.
Another thing about hiking is that the last mile feels as long as every other mile combined. On the way up and the way down. We must be almost there. We must. We've been hiking for like 2.5 hours? 3 hours?
Probably.
3 hours! Right. Oh my god. Our first fall summit, and it's windy as fuck up here. We get a little bit of a view. Under a mile to go. So we might have had a little slip and fall.
Just a little one.
He's more mad that he broke his bracelet. Ouch! Do you need help, sir?
No, I'm alright.
This ice is the culprit. And also us for not putting our crampons on sooner.
Shit's
Our
a little
bad.
Slippery.
Shit's slippery. It's literally winter up here. Whoa. Just straight up rock face. Nice view. Oh, right. Ugh. We fall summited like 3 times at this point. But look at it. And fall summit number 4. Right. All trails will say it's 10 miles, and then at the end of it, you'll check your watch and it'll say 13 miles. So who knows how long it's actually going to take us, because we're already at 5 miles and we have not summited yet. So it's already putting us over 10. Well, this is it.
Good job, team. Beautiful views.
This is it.
Really great.
Was it worth it?
Of course.
Next question.
Next
No,
question.
just kidding. That's one more 4,000 footer off the list, so it's worth it.
40 left for you or so?
Yeah, we could be into the 30s. I think this is number 10.
Number 10? All right.
So 38.
Nice.
Adam only has
7 more.
7 more. Damn. Okay, well, let's get below tree line before we get stuck in a blizzard again. Yeah. Where's Waldo? Right. Okay, well, that was icier
We're all right.
than I thought. Okay. Next. I always bring my first aid kit, never think I'm gonna need it.
Here we are.
And then this guy is on his 2nd fall of the day. And so we had to have a little first aid action. Right. Animal tracks. I'm calling it a baby moose. Because
No
I want
mama,
to.
though?
Well, that'd be nice, but maybe just want some alone time. We have still like 2 miles to go, but the sun is out and it's not that cold anymore. Knock on wood, because the snow has halted. But our knees are feeling it. Adam might have slipped again, but since I've recorded, I don't even know. We're working on it. We're working our way down. Do you have anything to say?
No. Not right now.
How do you feel about Mt Moriah?
It's all right.
Yeah.
One and done, probably.
Yeah, I agree. My God, I can see the car. We did it! Everything feels like totally fine once you get to the bottom. It's like, that was so easy. No, my feet and my knees definitely do hurt, but the way down took us no time at all. Easy breezy. We did it. We did it, Joe. We really, really did it. It's like so warm down here. What the fuck? Anyways, now to get undressed with all of this, ugh. My ears are sore from being pinned down. Taking these dirty boots off and these dirty pants off. And then we have a 2.5-hour drive home. But it's gonna be sunny, like the sun won't set until after we get home, which is nice. So that's really not too bad. Adam, what are our stats for the day? 6 hours, 20 minutes. 3,600 feet of elevation. 10.7 miles. So we really weren't that far off from the 10 miles. That's not bad. My hair might be bad though. Well, that was just delightful. 3 hours. Oh my God. One and done, like we said. Okay, well, guys, thanks for joining me on another hike. Hopefully the next one we do, the next 4,000 footer, it's like actually sunny out and I don't have to bring 100 pounds of winter clothes. Oh, my poor toes. I have blisters from wearing heels on my birthday still. Oh, Adam has his Birks. That is great news. Well, vlog, thanks again for hanging. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on all my other channels. Follow me on my podcast. We'll see you next Sunday.